Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to sign up for TikTok affiliate program. So guys, go to Google and search for TikTok, as you can see here, affiliate program as you can see here guys, and click the first result guys, as you can see here, and you wait a few seconds. As you can see, you can join as affiliate or you can join as agency. Click join as affiliate guys and wait a few seconds. And as you can see, you can guys join TikTok affiliate program through Impact platform. As you can see here, choose the English language, this United States for example, and wait. As you can see here guys, just click sign up and you can contact term and you can for business global, and this is some rules. As you can see here, just scroll down. This is some payout for any transaction or something like this. Click this, just accept guys, and you can sign up for Google or for you can here through Google. In my case, click continue. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and here write and you complete this process guys.